I will show you how to download iPad 17 beta on your iPad without join to developer program and make it easier. Today in this video, I'm gonna explain iPad 17 beta to download. Step-by-step guide. Plug your iPad into your computer using a USB cable. Go to the Alt Phone iOS Downgrade Tool website. This tool allows you to downgrade or upgrade your iPad or iPhone without losing data. You can check this tool link in the description below. Download and install the Old Phone iOS Downgrade tool on your computer. It's available for both Windows and Mac. Before upgrading to iPad iOS 17, ensure you backup your data to keep it safe. You can use the Old Phone iOS Data Manager for this purpose. Once your data is backed up, select the upgrade option within the Old Phone iOS Downgraded tool. This tool will automatically search for iOS 17 beta. Select the firmware version and click download. Ensure you have to stable internet connection for downloading. After downloading the iOS 17 beta firmware, click on initiating upgrade to start the upgrade process. Your iPad will start upgrading to iOS 17 automatically. Once the upgrade is complete, set up your iPad as promoted. Do not forget to restore your backup from the Old Phone iOS Data Manager to ensure your data returns to your iPad without loss. The tutorial recommends using the Old Phone iOS Downgrader tool due to its ease of use even for beginners. It's emphasized that this tool can downgrade, upgrade and fix iOS problems easily without erasing data. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.